Hi everyone, I will show you how to add story in Telegram. First of all, you need to open your Telegram app and you can see a camera icon in the bottom right, then tap it. Now take a picture and now you can choose how long the story will be visible, then choose anyone and you can write any caption from right here. And if you want to add any sticker, then tap to a sticker icon in the bottom left, and when you are done, then tap to next in the bottom right, and you can select a person from right here which you want to share it. And if you don't want to allow anyone to take a screenshot, then turn off this icon and tap to post story in the bottom. Now your story will be applied in your Telegram. Thanks for watching our video. Please make sure to like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more informative videos like this.